DIY balloon bunch cake topper tutorial. Let's see how this lovely pink and lilac balloon bunch cake topper is made. We're using a hand pump for this. This one is by Qualitex and blows air into the balloon when you push it in and out. So we're taking the nozzle all the way into the balloon to make it and give it the round and bubble effect, and then tying it nice and securely. If you don't have a pump with a long nozzle like the one we're using, you can use a hard surface and push the balloon onto it, or shape it with your hand into a round, like a ball shape. You can keep the balloons all the same size like we are doing so in this video, or you can make them into different sizes. The confetti balloon is blown in the same way. When you do tie the knot of the confetti balloon, make sure that there's none left in the place where you knot it from, otherwise the air can escape from there. So simply by tug or pull the end of it, taking the confetti out. Once you tied it nice and securely, you can rub it on the palm of your hand or with a cloth to make the confetti static so it sticks to the end of the balloon. Now what we will do is tie the balloons together and make it into a duplet. You can mix the colours or keep them the same. I am keeping the same in this video. We don't need to cut the ends off. You can if you would like your cake to be extra tidy. Now what we've done is simply twist them together and make it into a bunch. With a metal craft wire, we're going to open it and we're going to put it around into our balloon bunch. Next, you'd get the straw and put the wire through that. Pull the straw through nice and securely and push it all the way up into the balloon topper. The bottom of the wire, we can wrap it around the straw, and then the balloon cake topper is ready to be inserted into your cake. There you go, it's that simple to make. What colour would you like me to try next? Comment below and do let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.